somebody the other day about my rainwater catchment. I emptied that a week ago. 225 gallons, and it's fixing to overflow again. A while ago when it started raining, it was up to that top line right there. Well, that second to the top line. And now, within 10 minutes, it's fixing to overflow. It's coming some rain. Crazy. Look at it washing down over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Flooding my... You can tell where the low spot is. Oh, that's crazy. Oh well. There's some turnips. Everything needed some rain. We needed some rain. Yep. We getting some rain. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy Halloween. Talk to y'all later.